Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily change the language of ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO N8. So first, open the ECOVACS Home application on your smartphone and now click on the robot. Here, click three dots in the top right corner and now go to additional settings and then the voice report. Here we have language and we can change the language depending on our preference. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.